Hii umwe ni nikose heshima not once or twice. You've called me and umeni abuse with my fucking naongea na huyu. Huyu jamaa ameongelea health yangu not once or twice.
Ulisema na Dinyana Maines. Usileze hii health zako. First of all, when you go there ukim sikwa so usiniletee ukumbafu zako.
Usiongelee kimi yangu Steve, please. Don't even fucking mention that. Don't fucking mention that. Don't fucking talk about it. I swear to God. Don't fucking talk about it. Don't fucking talk about Mokini. Unasikiza huko.
Baadhi but usiletee ujinga pia.
Wewe ni pilot fake hapo una flight international, you think you're special motherfucking.
No.
Don't fucking talk about my health, bro. I don't talk about your fucking ex-motherfucking wife with the stupid kids. Mamko kunje. I can find.
Hebu toka hapa niamuke.
Zima live.
Oh, usiguze raibi yangu.
Kuja. No, hold on.
Mimi sina hiyo time ya kupigana. Siezi.
So kuna tena nini?
Unapigana
Mungelea health yangu.
No.
I'll fuck you.
So no. Why you talk? You bring the same shit, but
so no. You want to talk about my health?
No.
Really?
Tulia.
Kita. Unajua hiyo mimi sina kiongelea health yangu.
No.
Ukimya bigdadi. How many times have I said it? So many times, Steve.
How many times have I said you said you're fucking
you were lying.
No. Umesema nimefuck how many times?
Kita.
No. Okay, I've said it.
You know it. Not once or twice.